Thanks, Lee. So Eastern Propane is, as the slide says, a premier propane distributor in the Northeast. We're an oil and gas downstream marketer of not just the energy products, but also service products. So we deliver fuel to 100,000 plus residential and commercial customers, and we also provide service to them. We've been on JDE since 2012. We're currently on 9.2 apps, and our tool set is 9.256. And we use quite a few modules. We have them listed here to help support our business. In addition to the modules you see there, we have a number of customizations that we needed to make in order to make JDE work for our business, which kind of goes into the total cost of ownership. The reason we initially got into JDE was because it was flexible and you could make changes to it and make it yours and allow you to use it to help you differentiate from your competition. In addition to JD Edwards, we have Oracle Sales Cloud, Oracle Field Service, Descartes Logistics, that's the application that we use for delivery, and a few other applications, including Swift, that we provide to our employees that allow them to do their everyday jobs. Our strategy for the past 10 years has been to extend the functionality of JD Edwards using cloud applications. And we've found that the orchestrator has been absolutely instrumental in allowing for us to do that. And nearly every one of the applications that you see listed on that screen has an integration that's based on the orchestrator. So we have been early. We took on the orchestrator early, and we continue to count on it as the basis of our strategy moving forward. The last point about Eastern that I think is important for this conversation is that last bullet, and that Eastern is made up of 2/3 mobile employees. Most of the people that work at Eastern don't work in an office, so they need to have a way to get information out in the field and capture information and then return it to our system of record so that we can bill our customers. And again, Orchestrator and now Swift are two really important parts of that. So why did Eastern select Swift? This came about last year at the beginning of a pretty significant project that Eastern was undertaking to replace a legacy delivery system. We've been using a delivery system since 2014 that for a few reasons needed to be replaced. As part of the project, we started to implement, and it became apparent that there were a few gaps that we thought initially we would be able to address with the new solution, and we weren't able to do so. We started looking around for solutions for this, and based on these bullet points, we were looking for something that was going to be easy for us to implement and implement quickly and to maintain with the resources that we had. It had to be device agnostic because we had a couple of different devices that we're using in the field. JD Edwards was going to be the system of record, and we prefer to use the orchestrator for the integrations. And we wanted to have some familiarity with the partner